This is a day in the life of a chef living in Greece. So this morning I went out for a walk with my beautiful border collie Nene, and we are checking out the beautiful scenery here on the island of Naxos, and then we headed into the old town and Nene found some vegetables there, which was a bit interesting. And I just love all the artwork here on the walls and the quaint little back streets. And for some reason I always am filming of all the washing lines. I think it's really cute. Anyway, and then we headed out to go and grab a coffee. This is Gregory's. It's kind of similar to Starbucks. And there was a really cute guy there who was obsessed with Nene. She was obsessed with the pastries, of course. And then we sat outside and had a nice view of the Portara. Now we're walking down here on the port, and this cute little church out on this little island is kind of sweet. And then we headed, continued on our walk, and just enjoying the scenery, the sunshine. It was a little bit windy this morning. Nene had a little pit stop for a drink. And then we headed to the school. This is our training center here in Naxos, where we film all of our classes. And we headed in there, and I had realized that earlier in the week I had made some apple jam, and I had kept all the peels and cores and had heated that up with some water to make this juice so I could make some apple scrap jelly, but I had totally forgotten about it. So I pulled it out of the fridge, and here I'm measuring all the things that I need to make my apple jelly. And so I got that onto the stove, added my lemon juice, and I'm just going to heat that up and just making sure that all of that sugar is dissolved. And then I remembered I had some vanilla pods which I had used before, so I added those in as well for a bit of extra flavor. And we just heated that up to 105 degrees to make sure that all our natural pectin was doing its thing. And then I poured it into these sterilized jars to add to a collection that I'm working on at the moment. I'm kind of giving myself a challenge every week. I'm heading down to the farmers markets and kind of picking up whatever is in season. And then I had a call with a potential student from Sweden who has a farm over there. It was a really interesting conversation. And then I went back and checked my apple jelly, which had already set. I was really surprised. So that was super fun to make. And then I added it to my collection of apple jam, and I've got some fig and cactus jam, all local fruits from the island. And then I had a few more things to catch up on with. We have a vegan burger class coming up in January, so I was organizing the dashboard for that. And then it was the afternoon, so I headed down to Hora, and I had an appointment to get my hair done. This is my favorite salon here in Naxos, and yeah, that's me getting my hair done, feeling kind of pampered. Had 2 people drying my hair. Then I started walking home in the evening. This is one of my favorite little delis that has all the local produce. And then I heated up some dinner. My cat decided to get on my lap there, and then we were tired, so we headed to bed.